SCP-9335. Object Class. Safe Containment Procedures. SCP-9335 is to be kept at Site-19's Light Containment Zone. The entity is to be stored within a 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters reinforced steel container. The interior of the container must be continuously illuminated by a high-intensity white LED array. SCP-9335 is only given access to Level 2 security clearance or higher. In the event of a power failure, an independent, redundant battery backup must be automatically activated to maintain illumination. Following testing or any use, the object will undergo a regeneration protocol. SCP-9335 is to be placed in a specialized saturation chamber illuminated by high-intensity LED and will be sprayed with watercolor. Paint of any color continuously for a period of 1 to 3 hours, or until the subject has fully regenerated back to its original mass. Should SCP-9335 enter its sentient state, the containment locker is to be magnetically sealed and the vibration damper is activated. Sensors outside the steel box must monitor the impact frequency of the object against the interior walls. If the steel begins to show signs of structural bleeding, a secondary containment shield must be lowered to prevent the event of a breach. Personnel are strictly forbidden from opening the locker until sensors confirm the object has ceased movement or if the subject has lost enough mass to be quickly sedated with watercolor mist. Description: SCP-9335 is a school eraser measuring about 6 cm x 2 centímetros x 1 centímetro. While dormant, it remains as a standard eraser. It possesses the anomalous ability to instantly remove pigmentation from any surface it touches. Unlike normal erasers, it does not leave crumbs or wear down by friction, but instead, it absorbs color, which causes the eraser to lose physical mass over time. The anomaly's most dangerous property triggers when the light has been lost. If the ambient light level drops below 50 lux for more than redacted seconds, SCP-9335 undergoes a rapid biological transformation. During this window, the object develops a complex, visible network of neural tissue and a rudimentary brainstem. X-ray scans during this state has revealed data expunged, suggesting the object possesses a primitive form of consciousness. Upon achieving sentience, SCP-9335 enters a state of acute psychological distress. It will attempt to flee its surroundings by propelling itself at high velocities, bouncing off the interior of its containment box. Any material impacted by SCP-9335 during a fear rampage is rendered colorless. This effect is not merely aesthetic. The removal of color appears to weaken the molecular density of the target. During Incident 2335A, the object impacted the same spot on its steel container redacted times, causing the steel to become brittle and nearly resulting in breach of Sector Redacted. To prevent the object from vanishing entirely due to mass loss, it must be subjected to a regeneration protocol. By saturating the object in multicolored watercolor paint, the nerves will retract, and the subject will start to build back onto its original form. This process takes about 1 to 3 hours, depending on the severity of the mass loss.